Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by assembling tools and testing a hidden area to avoid surprises. Apply heat for 5–10 seconds to soften the adhesive. This makes removal easier and reduces tearing. Once warmed, use a fingernail or plastic pick to lift a corner, then peel slowly at a low angle to keep the adhesive intact and prevent surface damage. If the sticker resists, reheat briefly and continue. Make sure to keep motion steady so you don't stretch or leave tape bits behind. Once most of the sticker is off, target the remaining adhesive. Reheat stubborn patches in short bursts to prevent warping, then use a plastic scraper at a 30–45 degrees angle to lift residue without scratching. If the glue stays, apply rubbing alcohol or a light oil and let it sit for about 30–60 seconds so the solvent penetrates the adhesive. After it loosens, rub gently with a microfiber cloth or plastic card. Make sure to repeat heating and solvent application. You finish by cleaning the area with warm dish soap and water to remove oils and solvent traces. Dry it thoroughly to prevent streaks. Make a final pass with rubbing alcohol for complete degreasing, and optionally apply a light layer of wax to protect the surface. If a sticker won't budge, use a commercial adhesive remover following label instructions, or try chilling the sticker with ice to make it brittle, and then pry gently. Keep safety gloves and ventilation in mind when using strong solvents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.